Well, that's one we're going to go to Westfield.
Oh, okay. Oh, yeah, it says, yeah, Westfield and Hawthorne.
3 to go.
Because after that fight happened, did it go? You're going to that west. It's full the ending. Okay, Mandy. Yeah, I used to get blur on my video.
Yeah. Or you're like at this corner, at this bit.
Yeah. Nick the Magic again. He's on it now. They go quite quick. That's what he's doing, he's one because he wasn't in the practice now, it's not him. Nick Hammer is I think the last race will be a very good race. And Druids. You're going to see one? Yeah, it's a fast one. Very close to it.
Fast, isn't it?
Yeah.
You'll see him come through, come past here again in a minute, like a bit slower, and then there'll be a break and everything.
Yeah, video camera.
Not full metal.
Visibly in tears over Millwall, camera, the driver facing shot. And yeah, floods of tears for Ash Sutton, whose work suddenly seems icy cold, doesn't it, all the time? This, mate, you think of the effort that's put in just to get to the point where he got into the British Touring Car Championship. It's a phenomenal effort. He's enjoyed. And now the Gordon Shedden's
You're a
three-time
supervisor,
champion.
Yeah, well,
And he's
I
been
can't
in it
stop.
since
It's
2016.
leaving the car.
They're not good enough for much grip now.
I don't do that.
Quite often do get people in that gravel trap. Someone who's on the inside and pushes them out.
What is the next normal?
Eddie can be slow, it's like here.